How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the Always Up Too Late channel. My name is Jonathan, and I have just a short video today. I'm going to put together a tool cart, give it a short review and everything. And this is just building on what I had talked about previously about I was going to include some more garage related videos. I have some pretty big plans to do in this garage, and this is just kind of kicking that off of things that I'm adding and things that I'm looking at to potentially add and everything. But I got this one as a Christmas present, and I thought it would be cool to just set it up and try it out and bring everyone along today. So we'll go ahead and get started with that now. Got one of these real work tools rolling seat with 3 drawers. Got this for Christmas, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up and set it up and check it out and see if it's going to work in this garage or not. So go ahead and tear into this thing. All right, this is the pile of parts. This is what it looks like. Got some of these things, and this is the box. This is what it's supposed to look like when we get done. So should be pretty straightforward. I think we'll just go ahead and put it together and see what it looks like. Seems like this one should be pretty straightforward, I think. Looks like this goes kind of on the side there. Don't tell anybody, but we're just going to take a quick look at the instructions here and see how this is supposed to work. Alright, well, we got it together. It's pretty cool. Has these 3 drawers. Got some nice padding stuff in there. I don't really know what I'm going to keep in the drawers, but these are kind of cool. They have this side thing, and I do believe this is magnetic. Actually, let me find something to test that. Alright, yeah. I mean, it looks like it is. It is a little bit magnetic. It doesn't seem like it's super strong, like maybe this whole thing is just kind of a thin magnet. Probably, I don't know, it's similar to what goes on a refrigerator. Just feeling how thick it is there. I think it's interesting that the whole thing's a magnet because it's already collected a bunch of stuff. I don't know, maybe from the factory or just from being kind of rolled around in the garage, just things that are magnetic. So, but it's kind of cool. I think, throwing some bolts in there or something would be pretty handy so we wouldn't lose it. Oops. And it's got this snap mechanism here that keeps it in place, which is pretty cool. Got one of these, I think they called this a tool shelf. I don't think it'll really hold all that much, but still pretty cool. It's cool. But I can go and show you the main reason why I think this is going to be a good addition to the garage. But yeah, I think that this is going to be my main use for this here, is like being able to just get in here and really just clean up wheels pretty nice and not be sitting on the ground or crouching down or anything. I think this is going to be a pretty good addition. You can spend a little bit more time on the wheels and not try to rush through because you're squatting down and everything. But yeah, I think this should work pretty well. Seems to be pretty decent enough build quality and everything. Rolls around pretty nice, so pretty happy with it so far. All right, well, we got the rolling seat 3-drawer tool box thing put together. Looks pretty good. I actually don't know how much this is because I received it as a gift, but I will make sure that I go ahead and research that, and I'll overlay it on the screen here. And if I can, I'll find a link to where you could actually purchase these and put this in the description as well. And on a side note, real quick, I realize how messy everything is now that I'm seeing it in the viewfinder there, and I'm actually going to clean this space up too. It's pretty messy. So I'll do that, and hopefully it will look better in the next video. But yeah, as always, I definitely appreciate you stopping in and checking. Alright, and as always, thank you very much for stopping in today. I appreciate hanging out with you and showing you guys what all I'm working on. And as far as other content that is coming up, I do have 2 other F250 videos that I'm working on currently, one being just an overview of where it's at currently, and just some high-level stuff, because I know there are some new people who may not have actually seen the full-length video where I went and talked about it a while back, so I'm putting together a new one of those. And then the other video that I'm working on is I'm going to put together what my high-level goals are and what I want to accomplish in the next year. And as we all know, I mean, working on diesels and upgrading diesels and doing stuff to them can be quite expensive, so that may be spread out over some time, depending upon, you know, what order things need to be done. But that will be coming out in the very near future. I definitely thank you for stopping in. I appreciate every single one of you, and I very much enjoy the interactions that we get to have, and comments and chatting back and forth about different things. And I hope to see you in the next video.